What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is June 21st, 2022. And yeah, it's yeah, for mining and crypto and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, we are talking about EVGA, and they are killing off the queue, or their waiting system for buying graphics cards. And what they mean by that is, yeah, they're getting rid of it. It's done. Ixnay, gone. Well, in time. But let me just switch over here. Let's switch over here. Where are we at? Where are we at? There we are. Okay, so EVGA starts to kill their GPUQ orders as inventory normalizes. So EVGA has begun cutting the cord on its GPUQ program for good as graphics card inventory returns to normal. But instead of deleting the program all at once, EVGA is killing off its GPUQ orders per GPU model, starting with the EVGA FTW3 models, which have the highest availability, typically because the EVGA FTW3 models are on the more expensive end compared to the other models. In our case, we received an email that the GeForce RTX 3080 FTW3 Gaming, one of the best graphics cards for gaming, will no longer be available in the GPUQ starting on the 23rd. With the recent cryptocurrency mining crash and reduction of GPU prices, it was inevitable that EVGA would no longer need the GPUQ order for buying and selling goods. As a result, we fully expect EVGA to delete the queue at some point, but that will depend entirely on when EVGA receives enough volume of every single graphics card of product it sells. If you're still in the queue for a product, don't worry. You will receive a notification that your queue order will get deleted and that you can buy your graphics card from the EVGA store directly. In our case, we were notified 2 days in advance that the EVGA removed all pending orders for the RTX 3080 FTW3 Gaming due to an influx of GPU stock for this particular model. We don't know how many other GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs will drop out of the program. All we know that is our RTX 36 or 3080 order, but there's a good chance that many other models are getting cut, especially the higher tier products like the 3090 Ti and 3090, which don't see as much selling traffic as the lower end models. But despite the high inventory for the RTX 3080 FTW3 and other models we might not know about, don't expect any discounts on EVGA's store. Most cards are still selling for high prices, with no cards at MSR or the true MSRP. As a result, we recommend you check out other retailers such as Newegg for better GPU prices on the RTX 30 series GPUs. Either way, this is yet another good sign that GPU prices are hurtling down towards MSRP, and now is the best time to buy a modern gaming GPU if you don't want to wait for next generation GPUs. Yeah, I mean, there's always a waiting game. You can always wait for the next generation. Oh, I'm waiting for 40 series, and then 40 series comes out. Oh, I'm waiting for 50 series. So, I mean, is that even an argument? Holy smokes, I need a haircut. But yeah. So, if you're in the queue, I know I was in the queue for a couple of the lower end cards, but I don't think I'll be buying them from EVGA directly because the prices aren't. I mean, they were good when mining was like good. Not saying mining's bad right now, but it ain't great. And I'd hate to be paying full price for cards because, like it said, EVGA is their MSRP is a little bit higher than some other people's MSRP. It ain't as bad as Zotac. Zotac store is straight up, they're scalping people. Actually, I don't know if Zotac still. What's their store? Hold on. Zotac store. Let me pull that back up. I'm curious to see how Zotac store is doing. Let's go to a 3080. Wow. Okay, so they've definitely lowered their prices. $869 for a 3080. Let's go to something a little bit smaller. Let's go to sort by price. 3050, 379. That's high. 3060, 469. High. 3060 Ti for 599. Yeah. They're still definitely high on certain cards. 3070 for 689. Whew, goodness. Yeah, Zotac. Y'all can keep those bad boys. So, yeah, but I wanted to thank everybody for coming out today. If you had an EVGA order, I'd love for you to drop a comment down below if you got one of the emails. I have not got one of the emails, but I was waiting on 3060s and 3060 Ti's. Before we get off here, I wanted to do a coin market cap recap, or basically a coin recap. So if we're watching this video way off in the future and we look back, we can tell where we're at. So Bitcoin is at right now $20,469. Oh, 69. Ethereum is right behind it in the number 2 position at $1,104. Going further down, let's see. Oh, Cardano is 46 cents. XRP is 32 cents. Doge is 6.3 cents. Tron, 6.4 cents. Shiba, $9 per million. Litecoin, $51.93. And CRO coin, 11 cents. Ethereum Classic, 15.75. And we'll round it out with XMR Monero, $114.95. So it's a good day. It's a good day. I mean, it's not a great day, but it's not a bad day. I mean, $1,000 Ethereum years ago, I'd love to see $1,000 Ethereum. Now, when we got a taste of that $3,000 and $4,000 Ethereum, I don't want that $1,000 Ethereum no more. But it is what it is. I'm still stacking up my ETH, wishing for good times ahead. I don't know if they're gonna be there, but only time will tell. So, with that being said, I'm gonna bid y'all a farewell. Hopefully, everybody's gonna have a good one, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Adios, peace, all that kind of stuff. Bye.